it back to Maine with the second load of lumber. And yes, that does look a little sketchy. This looks like a scene right out of Final Destination. This is the first load that Maddox helped me with last night. We got it up here at 9 o'clock. So this weekend the goal is to get this bridge built and get the old bridge down, because our trusses show up next week. So yeah, let me unload this and I'll be back. All right, it's unloaded. All right, the first thing I need to do is we're putting these under the bridge platform so we can, you know, move on this deck, but I've got to factor that into my height measurement because this will go on the bottom of the bridge. So on this side I had to add a temporary piece of decking and then the spacer, so we should be good. I'll grab some measurements. Unfortunately the wind will not stop blowing, so this is what I'm dealing with. I'm trying to get a measurement, and look at this.
Flip?
Flip. Oh, it's gonna flip. That might be.
She's free.
She is free.
All right.
Perfect. Now we can get to that footing down there.
That's a spoiler.
Jeez. Ooh. You know what's scary is trying to walk with this one plank and no railing right there, which is fine. I'm hugging this railing.
Oh, 3
Woo.
feet.
Down. Right there.
Yep. Just like half.
Going right, yeah.
Halfway again.
Nice.
Nice job.
Ooh, cool.
Oh man.
Smooth?
Yo, that one.
Well, that's better than the last one.
Let's hope I ate my Wheaties.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Oh boy.
Is it too wide?
Now it's pick it up and we'll drop it in. There you go. Yeah, how's that? Sit.
It's so much easier.
The bridge is slowly coming apart. Will's going to take this piece out because it's in the way of our post. Moves a lot more now, doesn't it?
Yeah. Ready for the catch?
Just gonna get rid of it.
Well, that's
There's no
a little nerve-wracking right there. Hope my feet don't slip.
See that slide on me? Yeah.
So it's starting to take shape. Put a temporary brace over here. We'll have to do the same thing across the front. And then with those two. But the old is coming down, the new is going up.
Come on.
Perfect. All right, Will just went to get some more joist tape, so I'm going to try to put that beam up there. All right, I got it up there. Took me a minute. I'll plumb it up and then screw everything off.
Woo!
Got it.
Can you, yeah, can you just get back here before I have a heart attack?
Hear that?
Yeah. Tree's probably like, oh, thank you. Take that weight off of me.
Yeah, I was lucky. All right, just the cable left. Well, that thing's gonna drop, so I've got this in. Grab that in.
I didn't account for that.
Okay, I think I got it.
I hope so, because I can't read. Well, that's not sketchy at all. And there's the first beam. That goes all the way across. I forgot to press record. Oh, I had great commentary and everything. It's still attached. Though.
Yep. So you want that blade right? See how it's straight up and down? There you go. Yeah, that's the wood you got left in there. There you go. Nailed it.
Oh, so this like, is that something you shave off?
Yeah, I can clean it up.
You do that. Oh, they're up there. That battle's over.
There's the train trestle.
Oh, come on.
How you doing up there on top of the train trestle?
A few pucker moments. It's not too bad. I'm not bad for a girl that's afraid of heights.
No, you're doing fine. All right, with the suspension bridge gone, the tree is back to its original position, so that's perfect. And the same thing with that tree at the very end. It's kind of moved back into its original position. Obviously, we need to trim each side, right and left, but we'll get to that eventually, along with adding some railings. But we're 90% of the way done. Got to finish probably 4 or 5 boards here, the 2 steps, and the bridge is done.